Imagine slicing your meeting prep time in half, just by mastering a few smart shortcuts. Ready to make Microsoft Teams work for you instead of the other way around? Let's dive in and unlock the top keyboard shortcuts that every Teams power user should know, step by step. First up, jump straight to search with Control plus E. Just press those two keys together and you're instantly ready to find messages, files, or so much more without ever reaching for your mouse. Try it right now and see how fast you can find your last chat. Next, switch effortlessly between conversations using Control plus 1, 2, or 3. Each number takes you to a different section, your activity feed, chat, or Teams. No more clicking through endless tabs. Find what you need in a flash. Need to mute yourself in a call? Press Control, Shift, and M together. Stay professional and save yourself from background noise mishaps in one quick move. Want to start a new chat? Just hit Control plus N. Type the name, press Enter, and you're already writing your message. No distractions, just instant connection. For quick formatting in your messages, hit Control plus Shift plus X. Bring up the formatting box instantly so you can highlight your most important points without wasting a second. Missed something someone just said? Don't scramble for your mouse. Use Control plus the up arrow to quickly navigate back to the previous message you sent. Edit on the fly and never lose your train of thought. And when you want to attach a file, tap Alt plus Shift plus O. Instantly open the attach dialog and send documents faster. These shortcuts aren't just tricks. They're your ticket to working smarter, not harder. Picture yourself gliding through Teams, every task a smooth, seamless move. Empower your workflow. Take command. Start using these Microsoft Teams shortcuts today and watch your productivity soar.